dumbass, black, ugly bitch. Watch this. I'm about to send your ass to jail.
But you ain't got a highlighter.
I did, but then when I got, hold on, but when I got to the gate and I seen she was young, I told her, I said, damn,
You little raggedy ass
stay right here. Yeah, you man, because ain't nobody holler at you and try to hot up your baby.
We missed the whole fireworks.
You mess with Rudy till you miss everything. You gotta go get some weed, blood, everything you can name. He left the shoe at the house. He had to go get that. Left his drawer. Left his goddamn earring. Go get that. Look, up there, look, fireworks.
We gotta go across the street.
Try to look. Try to look. And then put out
Hey, if she lying, as soon as I came to the gate, I said, oh, she's young. Watch this. I'm just saying, I'm about to send your ass to
hell
jail.
no, we get away from that.
Dumbass, black, ugly bitch. Watch this. I'm about to send your ass to jail. Everybody in this bitch are blocking with me. Everybody at both these buildings.
But you ain't got a highlighter.
I did, but then when I got, hold on, but when I got to the gate and I seen she was young, I told her, I said, damn,
You little raggedy ass
stay right here. You mad because ain't nobody trying to holler at your old man. Yeah, you mad because ain't nobody holler at you and try to holler at your baby. You mad. And let's just wait. Let's wait for the police. Don't go nowhere.
So you can go to jail.
I'll go to jail. Don't go nowhere. That's exactly what I said. When I came to the fence, I asked, when I seen him, I said, she's young.
I still got it.
Stay right here.
Still holler at
Stay right here. You a goddamn lie.
You a goddamn lie.
Stay right here. Hey,
Can
I get an arbitrary on 7501? 7501 or child molestation or sexual assault. 7501 East Jefferson. The Boulevard Van Dyke. Sheridan. It's the Sheridan Place. It's Sheridan Place Apartments. Sheridan Place Apartments. Some lady is claiming that I molested her daughter or some shit. I don't know. Hey, somebody is claiming that somebody molested a minor. Just about or whatever. She at 7501 East Jefferson. They standing out here right now. They standing outside the building, hollering and screaming and yelling.
See that treasure? Look.
He pissed off. That shit crazy. Yeah, he was a pedophile.
That's what I said. he said?
I had to record that.
He said, you mad somebody holler at your daughter and not you.